that gives you 58.5. That's letter A. In an office, all documents are required to be printed on a letter size paper, which is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, with a 1-inch margin on all sides. What is the area in square inches of the portion of the paper where printing is allowed? Assume that printing at the back of the paper is not allowed. So, meron kang bond paper or paper. This is 8.5 times 11. And then meron kang margin, no? All sides. So, yung printing area mo daw is, again, ito lang yung printing area mo. So, what will be the dimensions of that one? So, ito, 11 minus 2, meron ka na lang 9. Tapos ito, meron kang 6.5. So, just multiply that one. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 4.5.